Good morning, friends. Do you know how we say how, when, or where an action happens? That is called an adverb. Many students get confused between the adjective and adverb. Today, I will clear this confusion right now. So, we will discuss adverbs. What are the adverbs? There are the some adverbs that add to the meaning of a verb. Adjective and adverb is an easy manner. They describe time, place, manner, frequency, or degree of an action. Thus, they are divided into many subgroups as following. Adverb of time. What is the adverb of time? How can we recognize? तो she will come tomorrow. वो कल आएगी. तो tomorrow is the time. That is called adverb of time. They have already had lunch. उन्होंने पहले ही लंच कर लिया. उन्होंने लंच कब किया है? पहले ही. That is already is adverb of time. Here each bold word is expresses the time of the action done or to be done with its respective verb. Thus they are called the adverb of time. Adverb of place. Get out from here. तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. Never go there, otherwise you will be beaten. Here each bold word is adding the meaning of its verb along with showing some place. These words are called adverb of place. Then adverb of manner. You can manage it well. तुम इसको अच्छे से मैनेज कर सकते हो. Rub gently as it pains. Here each bold word tells about the manner of the action along adding some meaning to the verb. These words are called adverb of manner. Next, adverb of frequency and number. What is this? Then he often comes to me. We should always face the reality. So here each bold word indicates the frequency of the action and adds some meanings to its verb. These words are called adverb of frequency or number. Next, adverb of degree and extent. It is too cold to go out. The dish is extremely salty. So here each bold word tells the degree or extent of an action and also enhances the quality of the verb, adjective, other adverb. These words are called adverb of degree or extent. Next, here are some adverbs. Adverb of time. So we can use these words in adverb in time. We can recognize on the basis of these words. Soon, early, immediately, daily, before, quickly, shortly, and now. These are the adverb of time. Adverb of place. There, nowhere, away, inside, here, everywhere, ever, forward. Next, adverb of manner. We can use those words gladly, happily, gently, nicely, neatly, well, loudly, steadily. Adverb of frequency. Often, again, once, never, seldom, ever, always, sometimes. And the last adverb of degree. Fully, rather, nearly, very much, quite, enough, and somewhat. These are the words on the basis we can recognize the adverb. We can and also differentiate between the adjective and the adverb. We have no need to any confusion. We have all clear. So friends, अगर ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो प्लीज इसको लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. थैंक यू.